In this lesson, we'll take a look at geometry light in Houdini. So first we need to create a geometry by going to the Shelf tab, and I will click on Torus and I will hit enter on the keyboard. And let's move the torus a little bit up, and let's dive inside and decrease the size. For example, this one to 0.3 and this one to 1, and let's move it. Let's go to object level and let's move it to the left a little bit, and let's adjust the camera. So make sure you are inside the camera and click lock, and I will move my camera a little bit far so I can see it. Okay, so now I will select the point light and I will disable that because we don't need that for now. And now I will select the torus, and in the light and camera shelf I will click on geometry light. And now if I hit render, now as you see I am lighting the scene using the geometry, using the torus. And if you want to see the torus in the renderer, you simply select the geolight and come here and click on render light geometry. So now Houdini will render your light in the renderer. And say for example you want to replace the torus with another object. So I will click on box and I will create a box here and move that somewhere here, and let's scale that. Okay, something like that. Okay, so simply you select the geolight and scroll down, and here you will see geometry object. So if I clicked on that, and now I can choose from the object here, I can click on box object that I created and I will click on accept. And now as you see the box is too big. The reason is Houdini doesn't understand that you scale down the box. So what you can do, select the geolight and click on transform into this object. Okay, so now everything works correctly. So of course you can select the geolight and come here and change the color or the intensity as the normal light works. Okay, so for example this is the color, you can change the color and the shadow too. So now try to create some objects and try to light your scene. Okay, so see you in the next lesson.